welcome back. It's a woman, Angela K. O.D. Today we are making banana mini pancakes with chocolate sauce. Come with me and let's make these delicious, healthy pancakes together. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. Come with me and let's go together. Come. Let's turn this into this. Ingredients: flour, banana, overripe bananas, nutmeg, evaporated milk, eggs, vanilla extract, baking soda, pinch of salt, chocolate, and coconut oil for frying. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for making our delicious banana mini pancakes. Then combine all our dry ingredients: nutmeg, baking powder, and salt. Salt is always to your taste. This amount is okay. We'll go ahead and combine all the dry ingredients together. And go ahead and sieve it through the sieve. These pancakes are my favorite and also the favorites of my children. They like it so much. My ingredients aside, and start with the wet ingredients. Grated milk, whisk the egg, go in with the vanilla extract, with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix all together. I'll go in with my overripe banana. Anytime you have overripe bananas at home, use it for mini pancakes. They are so delicious because nobody in your house will eat this type of banana, but when you use it for pancakes, they really, because the sugar content in it is so many, and guys, it brings a lot of taste and it's very, very healthy. So everybody will run for this mini pancakes. You mash it in the mixture. Guys, we are done with the mixing of our wet ingredients together with the bananas, guys. Let's go in and add it to our dry ingredients, guys. How this butter is looking, guys. The flavors here, the banana, the vanilla extract, guys. The flavors here are awesome. These pancakes are so healthy and you can serve them on your breakfast for your children, guys. You can as well also make them and put them in their lunch box. In with some coconut oil. Guys, it's time to fry our mini pancakes. Frying our pancakes, we go ahead and prepare our chocolate sauce. It's very easy. We just chocolate and then you melt it. So I'll just break it into a bowl and then we just put it on a double boiler and then that is it. The moment you see that there are bubbles on your pancake, it means that you can flip it over. So you go ahead and flip it over. Go in with our chocolate for melting. Let's go ahead and fry our next pancakes. Let's check on our chocolate. You can see that it's really melting. Very good. Look at this. It looks so good. It's very important after frying, you just go in with a little bit of coconut oil and then you clean it up with your, because we are not actually frying with oil, just to make the pan easy to remove the pancakes. Perfect. Guys, it's going to take a lot of time because they are really mini. So I'm going to fry all and I'll get back to you after everything is done. So this is the last one I will show on camera. Otherwise, it seems I'm taking all your time here, and then the rest you see later. To get our chocolate sauce really liquid, I'll go in with a teaspoon of butter. So you can see this is the butter. I'll just go ahead and to put it in the boiling water and then melt it together so that you can get it really creamy and yeah, moldy. This is our last batch, guys. Our pancakes are ready. So we are going to enjoy. You can really make this. It's very easy to make with few ingredients because sometimes we all have this overwrap banana in our kitchen. We all normally throw them away, but please turn them into this mini pancakes and your children will love it. And even when you make the chocolate sauce, it makes it so delicious and the kids love it. Can see that our chocolate is ready. It looks so smooth. So go ahead and put it in our jar. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious mini pancakes. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.